Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain you how to use Trip.com coins. So you're gonna have to select a service. You can choose from hotels, flights, local experiences, or other available services on the Trip.com homepage. Then you're gonna have to go to the payment page. Now once you get there, you're gonna see that you have the option to choose your payment method and also use the Trip coins to get the discount. So you just have to simply enable that and will automatically give you the discount based on how many coins you have. After that, you'll be able to proceed with the payment and simply tap on pay now. Now you can use all your coins as a payment. So maybe you have a lot of them and you don't want to spend any of your money, you just want to spend the coins. You can only select them and then simply tap on pay now and it will work. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.